Hi guys, in today's video, I've got your back on canceling your Photoleap subscription. Whether you get it on desktop or mobile web, Google Play or the Apple Store, let's dive into the steps and make sure you navigate the cancellation process smoothly. Alright, so let's start for those using desktop or mobile web. Okay, so to manage your Photoleap subscription, here's a detailed guide for you. Okay, so start by visiting Photoleap through your desktop or mobile web browser, and once you're there, just sign into your account to access your subscription details. And once you're there, look for the specific subscription you wish to terminate. Then next to it, you will find a cancel subscription button, so just go click on it and just follow the on-screen instructions that pop up, as this will guide you to the final steps to complete the cancellation process smoothly. Alright, so moving on, if you got Photoleap through Google Play and want to cancel, then here's how you can do it. So begin by opening Google Play on your Android device. Then within the Google Play, navigate to the subscription section, usually found in your account settings. Now, carefully choose the specific Photoleap subscription you wish to cancel from the list, and once selected, you will notice an option to cancel, so go ahead and tap on it. Okay, then this action prompts a set of instructions on your screen, so what you need to do is just follow them step by step to ensure a smooth cancellation process. And there you have it, your Photoleap subscription canceled through Google Play. Now, lastly, if you purchase Photoleap through the Apple Store and need to cancel, then here's how you gotta do it. Start by launching the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, and once inside, tap on your name at the top, as this will take you to your Apple ID settings. Now, scroll down and tap on Subscriptions, and here you will find a list of your active subscriptions. Now, go ahead and simply locate the Photoleap subscription from the list and just tap on it. Now, this action takes you directly to the details of your Photoleap subscription, allowing you to proceed with the cancellation. And that's it. That's how you cancel your Photoleap subscription, whether you made the purchase on desktop, mobile web, Google Play, or the Apple Store. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.